Hi Tia.
Hi Tofu.
Do you know what happened in school today?
No Tofu, but first let's go home.
Okay.
So Tofu, what are you telling me in school today?
Do you know the new student called Chloe?
Yes Tofu, I know her. What happened to her?
She cried.
Why did she cry?
She has no books or stationery and everyone making laugh of her.
That's a really mean thing to do, Tofu. What did you do to her?
I shared my stationery with her.
That's a really good thing you did, Tofu. And this also reminds me of a story. Do you want to hear it?
Yes.
Come with me, Tofu. I'll show you a story called The Two Little Birds.
Okay.
Once upon a time, there was a bird called a Hearty. She was living on one nest. One morning, she slept. She was so much tired and she slept. She heard a loud voice, then she woke up. Then she searching, and she finally found that bird. Then it found the bird in the small pond. Then it put the big leaf, drop it, and it jumped on the leaf. Are you okay? I'm okay, but I cannot fly. It's okay, my mother can fix your wing. Hearty's mom fixed Smiley's wing. Then Smiley was so much happy. Wait, what? I helped you, right? What is your name? You didn't tell me your name, bird. Of course, my name is Smiley. My name is Heart. Smiley. But tomorrow can you come because I helped you? Okay, then I'll come to your house. Thank you, Hearty. Thank you, Hearty, not for fixing my wing. I'm so much happy that you fixed my wing. Bye. Bye. One morning, Smiley was coming to Hearty's nest. Hunter with a big gun, he got one idea. The Smiley picked one rod and it threw it on Hunter's head. Then the gun shoot. Well, it was you, Smiley. You saved my life. Yes, because you're my so much best friend. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Thank you. They both became best friends. Thank you. I'm going to tell you about more of the story of the little bird. You have to always be good, help others, make this world so much good. Thank you.